The exterior house color trends for 2025 are set to focus on a blend of timeless classics with modern, nature-inspired tones. One major trend is the use of earthy neutrals, such as soft taupe, clay, and warm beige, which create a grounded and calming effect. These hues are perfect for homeowners who want a subtle yet sophisticated look that blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. Sage green continues to grow in popularity, offering a fresh and organic feel while being versatile enough to pair with both modern and traditional home designs. Its muted, natural tone brings a sense of tranquility, especially when complemented by white or dark accents. Speaking of dark accents, charcoal and deep navy blues are emerging as popular choices for doors, shutters, and trim. These colors provide a striking contrast against lighter exterior walls, adding depth and dimension. For homeowners looking for a bolder statement, rich terracotta and burnt sienna are making a comeback, reflecting the growing influence of Mediterranean and desert-inspired aesthetics. Soft black is also gaining momentum, especially in minimalist and contemporary homes, where it offers a sleek, modern finish without being too harsh. Another trending color is midnight blue, which creates a sophisticated and moody ambience, perfect for urban settings or waterfront properties. Warm whites and creamy off-whites remain a staple for homeowners who prefer a clean, classic look. These shades work well with various architectural styles and are great for reflecting natural light, making homes appear larger and more inviting. In contrast, stormy grays and cool blues are becoming more popular for coastal or modern farmhouse styles, reflecting the calming hues of the sky and sea. Blush pinks and muted coral tones are unexpected but trendy choices, adding a touch of playfulness and warmth without overpowering the exterior. These colors are ideal for accent walls or smaller homes, giving them a charming and unique appeal. In terms of material trends, exposed brick and natural wood finishes are being paired with these new color palettes to enhance the organic, earthy vibe. Two-tone combinations are also on the rise, with homeowners opting for a darker color on the lower half of their homes and a lighter shade on the upper portion to create visual interest. Sustainability continues to influence exterior color trends, with eco-friendly paint options in demand. These paints often feature low or zero volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and manufacturers are offering more colors that mimic nature's palette. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to colors that reflect a commitment to environmental consciousness, like soft greens, blues, and warm neutrals.